Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are good. So today mathematics book, and this is ICSE board book ML Agarwal. This is for class 7th. This is the chapter 8 algebraic expression. Today I will solve the exercise of this chapter. So this is exercise 8.1, and in question number 1, form the algebraic expressions using variables, constant and arithmetic. Clear? So the first one is 6 more than thrice a number x. 6 more than thrice a number x. So here is a number x. Thrice of x means 3x. More than means plus 6. So the first is 6 more than thrice a number will be 3x plus 6. The second one is 5 times x is subtracted from 13. From 13, so we will write 13 minus 5 times x. So the second one will be 13 minus 5x. Third one, the number x and y both squared and added. So the number x and y both squared and added. Here it is x square and y square. Both are squared and added. So now coming to the fourth. Number 7 is added to 3 times the product of PQ. The product of PQ means P multiplied by Q. Product of PQ. 3 times PQ means 3P into Q added to 7. This can also be written as 3PQ plus 7. 7 is added to 3 times the product of PQ. Now the fifth one is 3 times of x is subtracted from the product of x with itself. Product of x with itself means x is multiplied by x. 3 times of x means minus 3x. So 3 times of x is subtracted from the product of x with itself. It can also be written as x square minus 3x. So this is the fifth one. Now sixth one. Sum of the numbers m and n is subtracted from their product. So the product of the number m and will be m and n subtracted sum of the number m plus n. So it will be mn minus m plus n. In this way we have done the question number 1. Now the question number 2 is a taxi charges 9 per kilometer and a fixed charge of rupees 50. If the taxi is hired for x kilometer, write an algebraic expression of the invoice. Okay. Here the charge of the taxi is fixed charge. जो fixed charge is rupees 50 means ये तो देना ही देना है. एंड उसके बाद लिखा है 9 रुपीज़ पर किलोमीटर, मतलब 1 किलोमीटर अगर टैक्सी चलती है तो फिर 9 रुपीज़ देना है, और अगर 2 किलोमीटर तो 18 रुपीज़. लेकिन यहाँ पे ये कह रहा है इफ़ द टैक्सी इज़ हायर्ड फॉर एक्स किलोमीटर, मतलब एक्स किलोमीटर के लिए हायर की गई है तो 50 रुपीज़ उसे देना ही देना है, और एक्स किलोमीटर में 9 रुपीज़ के हिसाब से उसको और ऐड करना है. तो 9 रुपीज़ से एक्स किलोमीटर तक का चार्ज हो गया 9x, और 50 रुपीज़ तो देना ही देने हैं. तो इसका जो टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर या टोटल इनवॉइस हो गया वो 9x प्लस 50. सो द टोटल दिस मच अमाउंट इज टू बी पेड. सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. So this is the question number 2 answer. Now coming to the question number 3, write the algebraic expression whose terms are 5a minus 3b plus c. Okay, so this is the question number 3rd part 1. What we will do, we will replace this comma by plus sign. 5a plus minus will become minus, so we will write minus 3b here plus c. So this is the answer. Now the second is x square minus 5x 6. We will write x square minus 5x and plus 6. So this is the algebraic expression. For this, x square y comma minus xy minus xy square. I have replaced the comma. जहाँ पर माइनस है तो हमने माइनस का यूज़ कर लिया है बिकॉज प्लस माइनस माइनस, और जहाँ पर कोई भी डिजाइन नहीं दिया गया है तो कॉमा की जगह हमने प्लस यूज़ किया है. ओके. In question number 4, write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expressions. इसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बस टर्म्स को हमें सेपरेट कर देना है. यहाँ पे टर्म्स था, हमें एक्सप्रेशन बनाना थे, और यहाँ एक्सप्रेशन है, हमें टर्म्स मीन्स हमें कॉमा का यूज़ करके इनको लिखना है. तो हाउ कैन वी राइट दिस? द फर्स्ट वन 3 comma minus 7x. So I have written answer 3 comma minus 7x. The second answer is 2 comma minus 5a comma 3 upon 2b. This is the terms I have separated, so it will become your answer. Now in third, what we will do? 3x raised to the power 5 comma 4y cube comma minus 7xy square comma 3. So here this is the algebraic expression and these are the terms separated. Here these are the terms given and I have made the algebraic expression. Basically I have removed the comma here, and if the minus sign here I have used, if there is no sign I have used the plus. So in place of plus I have written comma, but if it is with sign negative sign so I have written as it is. I hope you are getting. Now in question number 5, identify the terms and their factors in the algebraic expression given below. These are the 3 parts of this question. So I have made a table like this, expressions, and I have written the given expression. Now we will write the terms and the factors. How many terms are here? 4x and 5x. So I will write in place of term minus 4x comma 5y. And the factors are minus 4 comma x comma 5 comma y. These are the constant and the variables I have separated. Now in this question there are 2 terms, so we will write xy comma 2x square y square. So for the first one factors is x comma y, and the for second one factors are 2. X square means x comma x, y square means y comma y. Here the 3 terms 1.2 ab comma minus 2.4 b comma 3.6a. Now the factors will be 1.2 constant part variables a comma b. Second के लिए minus 2.4 comma b. And for the third one 3.6 comma a. So I have written here the question number 5. Like the video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you.